guys, welcome back to another video. So it's actually like 5:05 in the morning, and I'm on my way to pick up Piers because I want to pick up Piers, meet Simon and Ginge, and then we are on our way to Belfast, get the boat, head over to Scotland, and then we're going to drive down to Manchester because it's FittedUK weekend. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Long enough drive, but I'm pretty tired now. We're going to stop, get a coffee here, and sure we'll keep you updated along the way, and hopefully it'll be a good weekend. So guys, we've just made it onto the boat, just literally about to leave Belfast, so it's about a 2.5 hour crossing over to Cairnryan and Roar, Scotland. So going to go get something to eat, and then we'll probably start to drive, head down through the Lake District, and then head on down to Manchester and maybe get checked in the hotel. So go grab something to eat. So I was missing the chrome strip for the front, so stopped in at Halfords in Dumfries and just having a look around, see what everything got a chrome strip, so get this fitted when we get down to Manchester. So we literally just got to Dumfries in Scotland, like about an hour down the road, and Simon had a bit of an oil leak, so we're checking that, and then gonna get back down towards Manchester.
That's actually quite useful.
Not a bit early. Nope. Car's all parked up. Simon's like trying to fix the oil leak in it, and we're gonna go get something to eat here soon, and then head down towards Blackpool and see how we get on. Basically, he's found out there's an oil fitting that's leaking, and it's leaking a tiny bit there, but should be grand. So we just took a drive and we stopped in at Blackpool. Cars all parked up, and just going to go for a dander now and then head on down to Manchester. The guy's going to get parking tickets, and pretty good drive so far, pretty long, but get the tickets here and then go on some of the rides, maybe go into some amusements and get something to eat as well. What'd you say?
You should be videoing this.
Okay, so basically Simon's fan belt is gone. Can't even see it. And
I want a drink.
And basically we're waiting on the AA coming. We all want a pint.
Like my mullet.
Everyone wants a pint. And we need a fan belt.
Yeah.
So we're sitting like an hour outside of Manchester, sitting outside Preston, so I think AA has just arrived, so we need to wait and see if we can get a fan belt now, and then, well, Alex from FittedUK is trying to sort us out.
I've never shredded a fan belt in my life, so... There's no stupid question.
Simon shredded a fan belt in his life. You've also shredded a fan belt? Right, I was just here, and now we're all still standing there. Need to wait in recovery lorry now, probably gonna be like another 2 hours, probably won't get there till like midnight. It'll be fun. Pierre's becoming an alcoholic. So's Jamie is also becoming an alcoholic at the side of the road. So yeah, we might make it there today, maybe tomorrow. Don't know. Wait and see how long recovery lorry takes. The AA have finally turned up and lifted it on ideal recovery truck. goes right onto the ground. So yeah, it's going to bring us here down to Warrington. Sam's going to jump in once and then going to hit the road. Yeah, went this morning. Euro car parts got new fan belt for the Civic. All installed, and everyone went fitted. Not a car wash, like getting all cleaned. So they're stinking, and it's the worst car wash ever. So it's going to take like probably 2 hours. And Piers.
Where's the nearest off license?
There.
Ah, shit, like.
So guys, basically I forgot to record like any vlog footage like actually in the show. But here's just some clips of different cars and stuff that we looked at just when we were in the show. Yeah, we're on the boat finally. On our way home. It's actually Monday night at 11:30, so we done like a 4-hour drive back up to Scotland from Manchester. We actually went up through the Lake District as well. Throw a few clips of that in. It was a pretty cool area. But anyway, it was a great show. It was good. Fair enough, all the breakdowns and issues and stuff, but it was great. Just to finally get out with the cars again, all the guys together. Hopefully next year Clean Fest isn't on the same time, so the rest of the guys can come with us as well, because they were all in Scotland. But guys, as per usual, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, leave something down below what you just want to see. Thanks for watching.
Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Even when the road gets tough.